Full answer, I defer to folks from DoD and full answer, I defer to folks from DoD and from the DoD, biodefense, relevant components, but in principle, the kind of broad theme of the funding, as I always understood it, across different parts of our government, NIH and USAID and state and otherwise, was based on a certain theory of pandemic prevention by scooping up these viruses, playing with them in the lab, and then trying to design vaccines and therapies. But there were always warnings that this was extremely dangerous work, and that the work courted exactly the kind of danger that appears to have happened in Wuhan. And from our perspective at the parts of the State Department that don't specialize in this, part of what was most troubling is that when COVID broke out in Wuhan, practically on the doorsteps of that lab, we did not have folks from other parts of the government raising their hand to educate the non-experts across the government in how plausible this was and how it needed to be taken seriously. In fact, the folks from the other parts of the government that work these issues generally were deflecting attention, and that cost us a lot of time and understanding that was really damaging. Full answer, I defer to folks from DoD and from the DoD.